So guys, we are inside the world famous Raja Dinkar Kelkar Museum. So this museum was established in 1962 and it is a priceless treasure. Here you will find lots of things right from 14th century, and the most of the things available here are from 17th century and 18th century. These are scent bottles from 18th century. So guys, these are wooden combs, and these combs are made from ivory. These are ivory combs gathered from Maharashtra and South India. Again, these are ivory combs from 18th and 19th century, and these are the combs made of horns, animal horns. So guys, on this floor, that is on first floor, you will find utensils. We just came from ground floor where we have seen objects of beauty culture, and on second floor you will find textile gallery, and third floor there is a special exhibition. So it is a special exhibition gallery on third floor. So here we come in the house of utensils galleries. These are the water containers used while worshipping. So guys, these are the lamps made of stone. It is made of copper and brass. So this kiln is brought from Rajasthan, and these are terracotta vessels. And guys, these are the oil containers made from camel skin. And these are spice boxes made of wood, brought from Gujarat, Maharashtra, and they are from 18th century and 19th century. And they are mango cutter, and these are vegetable cutters made of wood and iron. Oh, so these are the containers for sweet and dowry, made of brass and copper, and they brought from Gujarat. These are weights made from china clay, and the origin of these vessels is China. And there is a huge stone grinder. Again, these are the vessels made of different metals, especially from brass and bronze. And here is the bullock cart, brought from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and it is from 19th century. So you can see kind of intricate carvings on this bullock cart. So here we're done with first floor, and now we are going to invade second floor at Raja Dinkar Kelkar. So oh, what is this? So guys, it is a kind of complex design, but I don't know what is it. Instruction is not given about this complex design. I don't know what is the logic behind this, but before visiting second floor we have to visit third floor. So we are going to visit third floor, and it is the temple door made of wood, and this door is brought from Paitan, Maharashtra. Now we are at the third floor of Raja Dinkar Museum, and oh, these are the model of cannons made of brass brought from South India from 18th to 19th century. Oh. And these are swords brought from Saswad and Pune in the memory of Srimant Sardar Raghavendra Purandare. And these all swords are donated by Sardar Purandare family, Pune. And these are the cannonballs brought from South India from 18th and 19th century. Again, these are other kind of weapons. These are the shields made of brass, originated from Maharashtra from 18th century AD. Again, these shields are donated by Sardar Purandare family, Pune. So guys, these are the kind of treasure we have to cherish. And these are pistols from 1670 to 1940. And these are loaded guns. Again, these guns are donated by Sardar Purandare family. So most of the weapons, these are donated by Sardar Purandare family of Pune. And these are armors. So this is the headgear, armor. Oh, the armor at the middle is made of turtle skin, and this armor is made of fish scales. So these are all armors, and most of the armors are brought from South India. And these are waste for basil plant. Oh. And it is the big drum of Mahaji Sinde, brought from Wanbadi. So guys, in case of any auspicious moment, they used to play such kind of big drums. And here is the implica of chariot made of brass brought from Jodhpur, Rajasthan from 19th century. And these are the model of cannons. So guys, on third floor there is a special exhibition hall where you will find most of the weapons from 16th to 19th century. So after visiting third floor at Raja Dinkar Museum, we are going to visit second floor. So guys, while entering second floor, at the entrance there is a replica of small fort. And this fort is made of wood. this second floor is the textile gallery. And guys, this is the quilt of Dr. Anandibai Gopal Joshi. And this quilt was presented by her American friend in September 1886. So guys, Anandi Gopal Joshi was the first women doctor of India. So it is very special. These are leather puppets brought from Karnataka from 18th century. These all are leather puppets. So guys, these are the fans. Made of clothes. And these are string puppets. So guys, you will see these puppets are quite different from the kind of puppet we see in Rajasthan. So these puppets are brought from Karnataka from 19th century AD. Again, these are the string puppets or Kathputulis. So guys, this is a lamp arc made of brass and brought from Tamil Nadu. And guys, believe me or not, these are the ink pots in elephant form. These all are ink pots made of brass. And these are hookahs made of brass from South India. These are lamps and all made of brass. And guys, these are betel boxes made of brass, copper, wood and steel. Again, these are small lamps made of brass brought from Gujarat, Maharashtra and South India. And this is Garud Deep or eagle lamp. And guys, these are intricately designed nut cutters made of brass and iron. Again, these are nut cutters. These are beetle boxes. Again, these are beetle boxes. And these are sheep lamps made of tin plate and glass. And these are Mughal lamps. So from this design, you can easily guess these are Mughal lamps. Now we are going to explore musical gallery and Mastani Mahal. So we are at Wing B. Musical instruments gallery. So guys, these are musical instruments. So we are starting from here. Here is the Taus. Peacock sitar from South India. These are Tanpura of Savai Gandharva. These are different kind of sarangis. Here there is a sarangi of Ustad Qatar Baksha Khan. These are Vichitra Veena. These are sitar. And here there is a kind of complex drum, so it is a 5-headed drum. Mayur Veena. Mayur means peacock, and of course these are Veena, so these are Mayur Veena. Veena in shape of tortoise. And guys, now we are heading towards Mastani Mahal. And here on the wall towards Mastani Mahal there is depiction of Peshwa Bajirao and Mastani. So Mastani was the wife of Peshwa Bajirao. So guys, here on the wall there is a depiction of Lord Shiva in human image with a snake around the neck and weapon in hands. And on top there are people playing musical instruments. And at the center, Chimaji Appa does not like the religious ceremony of Samsher Bahadur, the son of Mastani, so taking him away. So guys, Mastani Mahal is one of the main attraction at Raja Dinkar Kelkar Museum. So these things are brought directly from the Mastani Mahal. So these are believed to be the original things which brought here as it is and kept here for tourists. Here is the statue of Sri Vishnu. So guys, this statue is the statue of Tandav Gajasur, brought from South India, made of stone, and this statue belonged to 9th century AD. So it is around 1200 years old statue. Again, these are one of the oldest statues available at this museum. So guys, this chariot is made of ivory and sandalwood, and this chariot is brought from Mysore. The carvings on this chariot is just mind-boggling, and you can feel the intricacy of this structure. And here is the chessboard made of ivory. And guys, this door is made of ivory. Oh, so ivory door brought from Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Another door made of ivory brought from New Delhi. Oh. Ivory window brought from Rajasthan. So guys, it's all about Raja Dinkar Kelkar Museum, and it is one of the must visit place if you are visiting Pune.